the bulk of the tariffs haven't gone into effect yet. The 10% sort of universal tariff went into effect on April 5th. But the top line numbers we've seen, looking at specific countries, will go into effect until this Wednesday. What's interesting is that sort of any good that was shipped, that will be put on a ship or a plane or however else it gets to the US before midnight on Wednesday is not going to be subject to tariffs. And so you're seeing sort of a rush to get things into the US beforehand. We hear stories of like, what should consumers be buying before then? And it's kind of the same thing you're seeing with suppliers and importers. There was a report today that Apple was, flying plane loads of iPhones from India, from its factories in India, to the US. And so we're not going to be able to see, the actual numbers of that for some time, just because, a ship going from, Shanghai to the West Coast of the US can take about a month to get here. But it's sort of seeing how companies are going to be responding to these tariffs and what they're trying to do to get in as many goods as possible, and then see how to price those things for people. And I think again, it's kind of hard to tell right now, but I've been trying to get a sense of you know, how does this affect the supply chains, and when are we actually going to see the impacts of these tariffs sort of on the ground?